Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss this question which was asked in GATE 2020. Consider the following statements. Daisy chaining is used to assign priorities in attending interrupts. When a device raises a vectored interrupt, the CPU does polling to identify the source of interrupt. In polling, the CPU periodically checks the status bits to know if any device needs its attention. During DMA, both the CPU and DMA controller can be bus masters at the same time. Which of the statement is are true? And these are the following options. So this is a multiple choice question, and the reference to this question can be found in this NPTEL lecture, lecture 46, 47, week 9, Computer Organization and Architecture by Professor Indranil Sengupta, Professor Komalika Dotto, IIT. So first look at what is this daisy chain method. So in a daisy chain, all the IO devices are connected in a serial mode, and each of the IO devices are given a priority. Based on that, they are connected in the serial mode. So the IO device with the highest priority will be in the first position, followed by the second priority, third, and so on. So this is made to ensure that the IOs are arranged in based on their priorities. So this is the daisy chain method. The second is the vector interrupt. So what happens in a vector interrupt is that the IO device is known by a unique code into the system, and whenever there is any whenever the IO device needs to send any data, it invokes a interrupt, and the CPU doesn't need to check the source of the interrupt because it already knows the IO by its unique code. So the CPU does not need to check which IO device or from where the interrupt has been invoked. So this is the vector interrupt. Another type of interrupt is the non-vectored interrupt. In that case, the CPU need to check the source of interrupts. The third is the polling, and polling is a protocol in which the CPU continuously checks the status bit to know if there are any device which needs its attention. And the fourth one is the direct memory access or DMA, in which the secondary device, like any hard disk or secondary memory system, directly transfers the data into the main memory without the involvement of the CPU. So in DMA method, what happens is that the bus is in full control of the DMA device, like the hard disk or secondary memory, and the CPU sits idle at that period of time. So in DMA, only the secondary device has the full control of the bus, and the CPU sits idle. So if we look into all these options, only the third option seems to be correct for this question, and hence the option is option D. Thank you.